Hi, sorry I make a second video because I forgot show you to Google Analytics report section to you. Just go to the Google Analytics and go to the Explore section. When you come to the Explore section, you can see five report in here. Just your most visitor page location. When you click open this report section, you can see your most visitor page location and their event count, total event in here. Okay, then I will show you then visitor device, which device they are using to visit your website. Okay, Windows, iOS, Android, and total Windows total user, active user, and total k event. Not okay, you can see in here. Then I'll show the visitor country, your website visitor country, which country they are living, and you can see here United States is the most on top of country in your website, then China, then India, Canada, Pakistan, and then visitor path explanation. Okay, just a minute. You can see here your visitor, where your visitor will come and where they are go. Okay, just a minute. You can click on this. Then first of all they visit your website. Then session start scrolling. Then click on the hiring button. This people and this people scrolling 20%. And you can see in here, okay, everything, every single moment in here. Okay, and then I will show you the next report. Next report is funnel. You can see your visitor funnel in here. Desktop user 100% and mobile user page view, you can see in here. Okay, thank you so much. This is, I think, this is enough for you.